torture. Okay, hang on to that. Do you know how that device works? It has been patented. Thank you. Look how Houdini patented it himself, I think. Right, let's get around the screen. Right, this will be a proper world record attempt. I need somebody to count. Now, 45 seconds was the record that Houdini set. Now, somebody got a watch for a second time.
I've got a timer.
You've got a timer? Fantastic. Do you need my watch, or are you I wouldn't want you to...
Roger, you have to say that.
Right, Johnny. These people are all going to start counting nice and slowly to 45. Now you need to make this as hard as possible for me, because this water has got to really put me off. Okay. Who's starting? We start from what? Should we start from what? Yeah. 45. It's going to be 45. 45. It's going to be exciting. Okay, let's make it a little bit more scary. Should we go down from 30? Ladies and gentlemen, please, don't rush me, please. What's your name on the watch?
Karen.
Think about it for a moment.